Hey guys, it's Nat G here. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about KKW Nudes. I have crap on my hand. It looks like a turd, but it's eyebrow gel, I promise. Hey guys, it's Nat G here and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about my favorite nudes and I am super excited to do it because with the recent launch of KKW Nudes, I was for sure not buying them. I will not buy them here. I will not buy them there. I will not buy them anywhere. I will not buy them. I do not want KKW Nudes Kim Kardashian West. No, thank you. It's nothing personal regarding Kim Kardashian, Kylie Jenner, any of them in their family. It's just I don't feel like making them any richer. I feel like there's many other people that I'd rather give my coin to. I work hard for my money. It's just Nude lipsticks, because granted, I will give credit when credit is due. They were gorgeous. The range from beginning to end, gorgeous. However, I just don't think that there's something that I want to, give my money to. I don't think that that's something that I want to spend my money on, and that's my choice. So I thought, because a lot of people are kind of intrigued by the nudes, the KKW launch, I was kind of like, you know what, let me give my top favorite nudes. So let's get into it. So today I decided to compile my favorite nude liners, my favorite nude lippies. I'm not gonna say lipsticks because there are glosses, matte liquid lipsticks, a whole bunch of other stuff in there. And I won't really be talking during it because I feel like that will make the video really long. I will show you how it looks on my lips. I won't wear it bare. I'll show you how it looks in combination with the liner of choice. If that sounds like something you're interested in seeing, then keep watching. So just so you guys know, I'm going to swatch the lipsticks in order from lightest to darkest, just like how Kim Kardashian West has her line from lightest to darkest, just because it's easier for you guys to trace the colors where it's going. Obviously it's not exact because these are different lip products from different brands, so it won't be 100% perfect, but in general, they're from lightest to darkest. So here are my favorite nude liners. I have no idea what this is. So here are my favorite nude liners. This is 020 by Bite Beauty. This is BFF3 from ColourPop. This is Grunge from ColourPop. And this is Bittersweet by MAC. So I feel like this kind of gives the same gradient like Kim Kardashian's line. So I feel like you can find things anywhere. All of these are creamy formulas. None of these are super dry. I always end up staying away from lipsticks. I always end up staying away from lip liners from like the drugstore because I never find that they're as hydrating as maybe a higher end one. But these are all super hydrating and super creamy and they glide right on. I know this is a weird color to consider a neutral. It's not nude per se, but it's definitely a neutral lip shade, and that depending on your skin complexion, it could be not your nude, but like a neutral shade that would kind of just complement you, Line my lips in that ridiculous fashion just to show you how well the liners look under this gloss. Like, it's stunning. So stunning. A stunning combination. You get a kiss, you get a kiss, you get a kiss. Everybody gets a kiss. Could you imagine if we just left our lipstick like this, unblended? Oh my god.
That's good.
Ooh, this fire. Forget that you have lipsticks in your collection. Yeah. resistance. This is how you do a reddish brown. Okay, can't be out there looking monotone, looking all one note. I don't want a lipstick that just blends right in. I don't want that. I want it to be a shade lighter or a shade darker. That's the only way it looks good. Cocoa. All right, so I decided to leave the last one on just because it's gonna make it easier for me to wrap up this video. So the two main takeaways from this video are, number one, I love MAC Bittersweet lip liner. It's actually my favorite lip liner of all time. And two, there are many, many other options aside from KKW Nudes. I would hope that you know that before this video, but just in case you don't know, they range from high end to low end, grayish to pinkish to brownish. There's different types of nudes or neutral lipsticks that you can pick, and it all depends on your look. So have fun with it. I hope this video was helpful, and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Comment down below and let me know what are your favorite neutral lipsticks that you love to wear. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to me. Thanks, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.